You want to learn how to do a pixie haircut on your synthetic wig?
You damn Skippy.
Alright, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Sis.
Okay, section the hair off how you see here. 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and leave the bottom part out. You're going to start from the middle, and you're going to start your guideline. Cut your first layer, not up and down, but a point cut so the ends can be nice and feathery and soft. Alright, move on up the head. You're going to cut and follow along the line you just created.
Why you left hair out in the back?
I left hair out in the back because it's not going to be the same length as the guideline I created. It's going to be longer, but it's going to frame the neck area. Just keep watching because it's all going to make sense later.
Oh, okay. What you doing now?
Okay, since I've created my first guideline, I'm going to follow along the back on the nape area. You see how I'm taking my guideline and smoothing it around to the other side, going around the head, but I'm going to stop it in that one little section so I can do it section per section so I can keep my place.
Alright.
Alright, so once you do the bottom half, you're going to do the top half and connect. It's pretty much like playing connect the dots. Whatever guideline you use, you're going to follow along for the next section. Okay, make sure you don't cut it too short because this is a capless wig. And if you cut it too short, then you're going to see real gappy holes in it. So you got to be very careful when you're doing a shortcut on an already factory made wig.
Oh, no, because I don't want my holy like my grandma's stockings at church.
Alright, so now you're done with that section. So with the front, you're going to slide cut it down from the bang and make it a point from the back and connect the point. You see how it's in the V cut? Alright, drag it back behind the ear. You're going to get the same guideline that you just created in the back and you're going to follow along. Alright, make sure you drag the hair from the side to the back. You see that?
Uh-huh.
Because around the ear, it's going to be longer. As you get to the bang area, you need more leverage. So if you have to go back and tweak it and cut some more off, you can.
Oh, okay. I see what you're doing.
Okay, you see it? Alright, so I'm going to leave the top heavier and the bang area heavier. It's not going to be a bowl cut, but I'm doing the same technique as if I was doing a bowl only, but it's going to be more pixie-like in the back and on the side. Okay, so once again, continue on with the side. Make sure you hold it straight out in a 90-degree angle from the side to the back. Alright, and as you go up, do the same thing.
I ain't no hairstylist, so you need to give me a tip or something.
Okay, I'm going to give you a tip. As you point cutting it, make sure you have the scissors in a straight up and down angle. You don't want to have it kind of sideways because the more you have it sideways, it's going to leave big chunks in it. Alright, so now you're pretty much done with this side. And you're going to cut the bang. You're going to put a little bit of layering on the side and the bang. So just whatever long pieces you see, just go ahead and cut that off with the bang. And as you're doing this, you're also cross-checking it to make sure all your layers and everything is nice and smooth.
Oh, yeah, that thing look good.
Oh, yeah, as you point cutting it, make sure you have some room between the scissors and your fingers. You don't want to get too close to your fingers because you do not want to cut yourself. That's not going to be nice.
It sure ain't.
Alright, so make sure you get the long, awkward looking pieces and just kind of look around, comb it in different directions to make sure it's nice and smooth. Now, this is the area I was telling you to wait to the end for. Make sure you slide cut down around the nape so the hair can hug around the neck. Alright, so after you finish with your finishing touches, you're going to do the other side the same way and follow me for more. Thanks for watching.
And I will. Thank you, girl.